Withdrawing money from your Spotify account after an account review can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you through it. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Spotify website or open the app and log into your account using your credentials. Ensure you are using the account that has funds available for withdrawal. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. This can usually be found by clicking on your profile picture or username in the top right corner, then selecting account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Check account balance. In the account settings, look for a section that displays your account balance or earnings. Confirm that there are funds available for withdrawal and that your account has passed the review process. Step 4. Select withdrawal option. Find the option for withdrawing funds. This may be labeled as withdraw, payout, or something similar. Click on this option to proceed to the withdrawal process. Step 5. Enter withdrawal details. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Escrow.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Once you have completed these steps, your withdrawal request should be processed. Make sure to check your email for any confirmation or updates regarding your transaction.